Hello children, how are you all? I just hope you all are doing very good. So class 3, today in your social studies class, we are going to start lesson number 2, that is changes in the neighborhood and my school. So in the last video, in the previous video, I told you about the changes in the neighborhood. What are the changes in the neighborhood? First of all, what is neighborhood? Neighborhood is the area around your house. And what are the changes near your neighborhood? In your neighborhood, the changes may be of many kinds, and the reason for the changes in the neighborhood are these. I told you changes. A neighborhood might change because of few reasons. I told you. First is the change of job location to another city or another country or another town. Then second one, I told you that family, if they wanted to settle in their hometown. And the third was that if someone is seeking for the better facilities, that is also the option, that is also the reason for the change in the neighborhood. After that, coming next to now changes in school, changes in the neighborhood and my school. So changes in the neighborhood we did in the last video. Now we will do changes in school. What are the changes in school? So in schools also we must have seen in the previous days or in the previous time, we must have seen that the schools were of different design. But now the changes are there of school buildings, school campus, so many changes are there. Now the design of classroom has changed over the period of time, and it all began with open and under the tree classroom. Earlier there was the children used to study under a tree. They used to sit under a tree and they used to study there. But as the time passes, the classrooms were made. After that, the design of classrooms were developed. It was changed. Now today schools have separate rooms and separate rooms as classrooms. Okay. Now within a school, many changes keeps happening. Like some changes are as follows. Number one, like what are the changes? Nowadays schools open a new library. Now we can see a new classroom, a new room of library. Library means a room where we can find so many books. A room of books is called library. If the number of students increases, school open a new library. Okay. Number two, students today learn new courses. Nowadays we can see students, they are learning new courses. New courses are there every year. The course changes and they study the latest one. Okay, latest edition of books they learn. Now after that, number 3 is new classes and science laboratories. Now new classes and science laboratories are also added. Now we can see the new classes also. Okay, there is a new class for each and every section also, and science laboratories are also, we can see, for the labs. For the laboratories means these are the rooms which are used for the experiments of science. For doing the science experiment, we use laboratories. Now for these also, earlier experiments were done in the classroom only, but nowadays the laboratories means new room is available for the experiments of sciences, and that room is called laboratories. After that, number 4 is IT laboratories. IT laboratories. IT laboratories are also added. Now IT laboratories means this room is for the computer related activities. For computer activities, this IT laboratories. Okay, for computer for doing the work of computer. In computer you have to practice. If you want to practice in computer, for that IT laboratories are there. Now this is the room for IT, computer. Now these are also added to make learning easier, to learn the computer work, to make it easier and to and more technologically driven. Okay. Now new buses are added to help students travel. Now buses are also there. New buses are added to help students travel. Few students, those who have not vehicles at home, or if the person are not available at home to drop the children or to pick them up, for them new buses are also available in the schools, in today's schools, so that they can help the children to travel uh, to school and to come back to home. Okay, so these are the facilities, these are the changes in school which have come up in today's time. First, schools open a new library. Second, students today learn new courses. Then new classes and science laboratories are added. Then IT laboratories are also added, and then new buses are added to help students travel. So these are the changes in school. Now in the earlier time, there was, I told you, the children used to sit under a tree and they used to study there. Okay, or after, and Gurukul was a type of boarding school system in India. That system was known as Gurukul, and in India in the past, where students lived with their teachers or guru. They used to live with their teachers or guru there, and they used to help them in their work also. So this was the changes in school and the and the teaching manner of also. So today we have completed this lesson, changes in the neighborhood and my school. So now we will continue with the exercises of this lesson, lesson number 2, and the first one exercise is in page number 19, 19. So open page number 19, tick the correct option. Now let's do this exercise in book. So the first one is take the correct option. Number A. If you are living in Philippines, and question number 1, tick the correct option. Number A. If you are living in Philippines and soon will be shifting to Bangkok. If you are living in Philippines and you will be shifting to Bangkok, it means you will have a change of what? Change of village, water, country, or city. So the answer is city. You will have a change of city. Number B. Ghevar is a famous sweet from Maharashtra, Kerala, Rajasthan, or Delhi. Yes, it is a famous sweet of Rajasthan. I told you in the previous video about this. Number C. The oldest continuously inhabited city in Syria is Damascus, Varanasi, Ujjain, or Kabul. Yes, Damascus. Then when an old house with broken doors and windows is repaired, when there is an old house and the doors and windows are getting repaired, so it is being what? Restored, created, changed, or cleaned. Yes, it is called restored. It means it is restored. Number E. Your neighborhood is likely to have what? An island and a palm tree, a school and a park, a bakery and an ocean, and a road and a castle. Yes, it should have a school and a park. In your neighborhood, you will seek for a school and a park, not an island, palm tree, bakery, ocean, road, or castle. Okay, a school and a park. A school where you can study, and a park to play after coming to school, to play in the evening. Okay, now after this, coming next to page number 20. Second question is fill in the blanks. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. So number A is dash keeps happening all around us. What keeps happening all around us? Changes. B. Some changes come with pleasant dash. What some changes bring us what? Surprises. Pleasant surprises. Number 3. The two continuously inhabited cities of India. Two continuously inhabited cities of India are Varanasi and Ujjain. One is Varanasi. In Varanasi, we will be in capital, and Ujjain, you will be in capital, because these are the names, proper nouns. Okay, that is why these are the names of cities. So, first letter will be capital. Then next is dash was a type of boarding school system. It was a type of boarding school system where students lived with their teachers. Told you in the earlier times, Gurukul. Okay. Now question number 3 is true or false. Write true or false. So the first one is schools open a new library if the number of students increases. If the number of students increases, the schools open a new library? Yes, schools open a new library. Number B, new classes and science laboratories are removed as the school grows. If the school grows, so what happens? New classes and science laboratories are removed. Is it true? No, it is false. New classes and science laboratories are added if the school grows. Number 3, IT laboratories are added to make learning easier for little children. Now, for the little children to understand, IT laboratories are added. Yes, true. IT laboratories are added so that little children can understand the concept of computer. They could understand to what is done in the computer, how is it done, what are the benefits of computer, and so many other things. They can play games also, so many other things they can do in this. Then number D, students today learn new games. Yes, today students are learning new games in computer and phones and all. Numbers E, new buses are added to help students travel. To help the students to travel to school and to come back to home, new buses are added. Yes, this one is also true. Now, after that, coming back to the question number 4. Match the following. Match the following. I'm writing answers only here. Number A is Gurukul. Gurukul means living with Guru. Number A. I'm writing answer. You have to match it in book. Living with Guru. You have to do these work in book only, not in notebook. Eatery. Eatery means food shop. Eatery means food shop. Number C, new place. What is a new place? School, living with Guru, IT laboratories, or new experience? New places, school. Number D, library. Library is what? Food shop, school, living with Guru, IT laboratories, or new experience? Library is a new experience. Number E, computer. Computer is IT laboratory. For computer only, IT laboratories are added. So these are the exercises which we have done today. Now some question answers are also there. This will do verbally. Okay. So answer the following questions briefly. Where you can sit and read or borrow a book for a short period. For a short period you can read a book or you can borrow a book. Where? In the library. Yes. Now number 2. Why do you prefer going to a neighborhood park? Why do you prefer to going to a neighborhood park? Why do you prefer to go to the neighborhood park? Of course, to play. You will prefer to go to the neighborhood park to play with your friends, to make friends and to play there. Then, if you wish to do computer related activities, which room will you prefer for doing computer related activities? Which room will you prefer? IT laboratories. Yes. If you wish to do a science experiment, where will you go? Will go to laboratories, science laboratories. Name some of the places that make a neighborhood. Now this you will do by yourself. Now what are the places that makes a neighborhood? So today we have completed the lesson and done the exercises of book also. You have to do these exercises in book and read the lesson carefully and do the homework as I have given in the homework, and send your assignments on time and regularly. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.